welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. Thank you so much for coming back to watch this video. If you are already subscribed, if you are not, I hope you will subscribe to this channel. I like to do different things on this channel, crafting, hauls, and today I've got some project shares for Kokorosa. And once again, these are some Christmas projects. This is the first die I'm going to show you. This is like a deer antler bow. So cute. And so I just made one of those, and so this is it. I just took this paper. I can't remember what this came from. You can do a whole lot more to this, but I didn't want to do anything until I knew what kind of project I was going to use this for. So I just made the antlers and then the bow with this paper. It's got some glue there, but a nice gem will cover that up. So there's that. And then you have this snowflake border die. I really like this. I think it's so cute. Doesn't give you a whole lot of room to work here unless you want to cover up your snowflakes, but this is what I made with it. I just put Winter Wonderland here, a little bow, put some little gems on these snowflakes around here. Then I just added these puffy snowflakes on here, give it a little bit of dimension. I don't think I didn't do anything in here yet. I did stamp the back of it, but I think it's cute. This is vellum. I used vellum on this is vellum right here, this for the border. So there's that, and I will do some more to that before I use that this Christmas. Okay, and then this die is this all came together. It says Merry Christmas. It has this deer attached to it, and then this says Noel, and then this says Thanksgiving. And so this says Thanksgiving. So I just made this card. This is Merry Christmas. I cut this like 3 or 4 times with just some white cardstock, and then I cut it with this like gold, and then I glued all those together and put that on top of there. And then this is just some pine cone paper, and then this, I love this ribbon, so I just tied the bow and glued this all down there on there, except for like right here, and put this plaid back here. I didn't do anything else with this yet, so I just thought this turned out pretty cute. I didn't know what else to do with this, but I like it. I think it looks really cute. I love this ribbon. I didn't know what I would use this ribbon for, but this matched perfectly. And so I did the same thing with this Noel. I just put it on some scrap cardstock and made it thick. And then I did the same thing with this Thanksgiving. Just popped it up thick, and you can use this. So there's that. I think it just turned out so cute. So all right, that is all I have for Kokorosa today. I will have another video with I think a couple more projects for Kokorosa sometime next week. So thank you all so much for coming back to look at these projects. I appreciate it so much, even though it is April. I appreciate you looking at my Christmas projects. I hope you all have a great morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day it is you are watching this video. Hope you're having a great time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.